Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about the Reef Finance coin. What's going on in the Reef? What's the current price of Reef? What's the price changes occur in the Reef? And this video I will share the latest update. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. So what really happened today in the Reef Finance? What really happened? Let's see, my friends. Now the currently latest price of the Reef Finance is 0.014311 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Reef Finance. And on the other side, my friends, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Reef Finance, you can see that the last 1 hour change is positive, the last 1 day change in Reef Finance is negative, the last 1 week changes occur in the Reef Finance is positive. Changes occur in the Reef Finance, the latest change is positive, so that's really a good news for all of you, my friends, that the latest situation of the Reef Finance become positive, and in the latest hour the price of the Reef Finance start pumping, and still the price of Reef Finance is a pumping mood. So personally I'm feeling very good about it. And tell me that how do you feel today about it? Good or bad? Good or bad, just tell me. How do you feel today about Reef Finance? Just tell me in the comment box. Anyways, subscribe now for more updates and news videos. So I recommend for all of you to please hold it, never decide to sell before end of this month.